Hi guys, welcome to maths tutorial. Today we will learn how to rationalize the denominator of a fraction. Here we have taken 2 root 2 by root 5 as an example. So let's start. The given fraction is 2 root 2 by root 5. Here look that we have root 5 in the denominator, which is an irrational number. We have to rationalize it, and in order to do that we have to multiply it by root 5 again. So we will multiply both the denominator and the numerator by root 5. So doing that we will get 2 root 2 times root 5 by root 5 times root 5, and again simplifying it, we will get 2 square root of 2 times 5 by square root of 5 times 5. Here we have used a rule which is square root of x times square root of y is equal to square root of x times y. Again multiply it and we will get 2 root 10 by square root of 5 square. Now the numerator will remain same, that is 2 root 10, and in the denominator we will get 5 power 2 power half. As we know that we can write square root as power half. So again simplifying it, we will get the same term in the numerator and we will get 5 power 2 times half in the denominator. Here 2 gets cancelled and we get 5 power 1 in the denominator, and again the numerator remains same, that is 2 root 10. So here we will get 2 root 10 by 5. So look that we have a rational number in the denominator. So we have achieved our goal, that is 2 root 10 by 5 is the answer. Thank you for watching.